what are the barrier to the evidence based is the हम लोगों की आदत है कि वी जस्ट फॉलो अदर्स. हमारे सीनियर ने कह दिया, वी आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल कि भाई हमको उन्होंने कह दिया, कोई पूछेगा तो कहेंगे सर साहब आपने कहा था इसलिए हमने कर दिया, अब हम चाहे सही है या गलत हैं. ऐसा फॉर मी दैट इज़ नॉट ए गुड अप्रोच. एवरीबडी इज़ क्लिनिशियन, कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरी यू हैव टू डिस्कस इट, बट this discussion will only be possible if you are having a mind full of questions. अभी भी मेरे पास एक ये जिज्ञासा डायरी जिसको कहता हूँ, डॉक्टर टी.सी. गोयल साहब के ज़माने में, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू सॉ हिम और नॉट, वो हमेशा बोलते थे जब भी आप अपने पास रखिए, डायरी रखिए, जो भी क्वेरी हो उसमें लिख लीजिए और बाद में जब समय मिले तो उसको पढ़ लीजिए. सो आई स्टिल मेंटेन दैट जिज्ञासा डायरी. And different modes of practices, some are working in villages, some working in cities, some in metros, some in corporate hospital, some in AIMS where the resources are very very limited. We are having plenty of expectations from everyone कि हमें जो भी देना है बेस्ट देना है. जहाँ जब उनको देने की बारी आती है तो they remain silent. And of course lack of skill to appraise the evidence, and this is meant for today's activity is meant for that only. So traditional approach was different, and now today after 2 days of hands-on workshop, I think your thinking pattern will totally change. And the meta analysis is again, you have to identify a question. The question should be relevant. For me, I think you, Malhotra, will agree that still you are having 1 lakh rupees inter-meter for to 5 lakh. You have increased for 5 lakh. Okay, so I got 1 lakh rupees for meta-analysis. That was the first inter-meter of KG, and वो भी एक भी पूरा नहीं मिला था. तो हम लोगों ने, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द क्वेश्चन. तो क्वेश्चन को आइडेंटिफाई करने में क्या ज़रूरत है? दो चीज़ें हैं. आप ऐसी चीज़ करिए जो रेयरेस्ट हो, आप सोचें नोबेल प्राइज़ मिल जाएगा इस पर. दूसरी चीज़ है कि क्या इसके करने से हमको, हाउ मेनी पीपल विल बी अफेक्टेड एंड हाउ माई प्रैक्टिस विल अफेक्ट. सो फॉर मी द सेकेंड इज़ बेटर चॉइस फॉर मी, but it depends on everyone. Then you have to analyze it. There is a procedure which you will learn during the course of thing, and today's program is aimed towards the training and imparting skill to the develop evidence based diseases, specific guideline in clinical medicine, diagnostic, nursing and traditional. Very important thing is incorporation of traditional medicine, creating evidences for the traditional medicine, incorporating these evidences of traditional medicine with the modern medicine evidences, taking care of the so-called integrative health with the incorporation of traditional and as well as modern medicine, and also the evidences for the practices for nursing and paramedics. It is very important. So most of the time when we talk only about the doctors and the material practices, but I feel evidences for nursing and the traditional medicine is also very important, because in our new education policy we are supposed to integrate, and AIMS Bhopal is integrating. We are putting our interns and the residents in the Ayush. They are going regularly there, they are getting the basic knowledge about that, and our patient being referred from surgical medicine OPDs to the Ayush and vice versa also. So we are practicing that integration, and